My name is Laure Bousquet, and I consider diversity with the perspective of my present job by CARIAD, which is change facilitation. As an organization, we need to continuously create new solutions for the complex challenges we face. And I am convinced that we need the whole process long different types of people, of languages, of ways of thinking and working to have creative solutions. So if you just have always the same people designing the same solutions, we cannot learn as an organization. That's why I think for new solutions, we need diversity. And creativity happens automatically then. Well, it's not so easy to find something typically French, I think, but maybe the revolutionary gene. So when I don't accept or don't understand something, I tend to ask sometimes uncomfortable questions or propose solutions, and I think it's a way of spreading a speak-up culture and to help open minds for other ideas and solutions. Well, it might sound funny now, but back then I suffered a little bit when I went to Germany to work, or I should say to Bavaria, because I could speak German, but my first colleague was Bavarian, and he spoke another language. And it was the first difficulty for me. And the second one was more cultural. For instance, he had another structure of the day. At 6 a.m. he started to work. I started at 9 a.m. And when I was starting to feel active, effective and warm, it was already the end of his working day. So sometimes you think you know a language, you think you know a country, but you discover so many local specificities. And in this case, it was a little bit a cliché maybe, but it was my reality back then. And I think it's very beautiful, interesting, it's never boring, and I like that. And when we meet new people coming to work at CARIAD, I'm always happy to give some hints to help them orientate and better understand their environment. And my opinion is also that it's not only important for the company to push diversity in order to have creative solutions around, but also you enable people to meet in the company in safe rooms who maybe wouldn't have met in the real life, and this spreads tolerance in the whole society, I think.